Welcome to NewAge training. Let's take a look at Envy PV. If you are an Envy consultant, your closed Envy parties will also give you PV. PV is added to the system weekly on a Wednesdays. And that PV is from closed party sales that were from the previous Wednesday to Tuesday. Now the calculation to help you figure out how much PV you can expect to receive for your closed parties is thus. You take the goods figure, which is found on each party invoice in the Envy back office. You subtract 20%, which covers the monthly Envy commissions that you receive. You subtract the GST, and the net value times 48% is the PV amount that gets added into the system. Now, there are a few non-commissionable items that do not attract PV. These include enrollment kits, free gifts, any business merchandise items, and any returns or exchanges.